Hello guys, welcome to another daily market analysis video. So in this video, we will be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty next for intraday levels. So let's get started. So as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, right? Nifty has started a bullish uptrend. This was the previous swing high. So let me mark it out for you. So this was the previous low, and after that, yeah, see this low was broken here. So this is our new low. What I'm expecting is the price will move a bit down into this range, right, somewhere here, and then move back up. So I'm going to mark these levels out. So along with that, we also had a supply zone here, and this is the demand zone that broke here. So if you can see here, this range here, this range was the cause of this supply zone to break, and this demand zone was the cause of this supply zone to break. So we have one more range here. So this is no longer valid. Along with this, we also have a minor demand zone here. So these are our demand zones, and let's find any supply zones above. So I can see one supply zone here. I would be comfortable trading it like this, something like this. The 1 hour time frame maybe. Yes. Actually, this is, let's trade it like this. So this is the zone up above. On the lower time frames, we have these supply zones here on the 1 hour time frame here and 1 hour time frame here. And what I'm expecting price to do is, first, see here, price was moving lower, but then RSI started to move higher. So it is maintaining a healthy positive divergence. So this was our cue to go long here. With this, I'm expecting the price to move back a bit down. We can have a small 1:2 trade here. So something on the lines of this. Stop, entry here, stop loss here, target maybe 1:2. So something in this order. We can have a bit more higher target here. So entry will be somewhere around this level. Stop loss below here, maybe 1:3, 1:4. We can target 1:4. So 100 points should be fine. Similarly, same situation here. I would enter on this demand zone. Stop loss below this level, and 1:3 should be a good fair target. 1:3 and 1:4. So something on these sorts. All right. So these are my intraday levels for next week. Although I'm not expecting the price to move back into this level, maybe this zone is fair game. So that is there. On the daily time frame, it is actually bullish. So we also have a daily demand zone here. So that is why I am very bullish on this. And this is the candle from where this bullish momentum has occurred. So these two are really good zones for me. So that is one. In case of supply zone, again, here I'm thinking something on this lines. I will enter. I will have my stop loss here, somewhere above this, and target, since on the daily time frame and the 2 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame we are quite bullish. 1:2 it should be a good target. 1:2 is a main target. So this is my plan, and with that I also plan to trade this zone. I have one upper zone here and another lower zone here. So we can target these two zones. So based on the bullish pressure back there, so I'm expecting there should be some selling pressure here too, because there's a gap. There will be some gap filling. So I'm expecting some selling pressure here. Maybe on the 15 minutes time frame, we can target this supply zone. So we can target this supply zone on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to mark this as 15 minutes. So we can target this and maybe do a small scalping trade. So here, since the trend is up and we're doing counter trend, what I will do is I'll wait for the 5 minutes candle to give me a breakdown, and then I start entering. So this is my plan for Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, let's do another top-down approach. So here the price has entered this weekly demand zone. So this is the weekly demand zone. All right. This was the weekly demand zone. It is still in the weekly demand zone. It is not yet given a good momentum. And within that weekly demand zone, we also had a demand zone here. So this was the daily demand, 125-minute demand zone. So as you can see, we got a good reaction from here, but again, it is retesting this zone. Good thing is, see, this drop base rally demand zone is what caused the breakup structure here. So this has caused the breakup structure. No, this will not be a breakup structure. This will be a change of character, since it was until here a downtrend. So as you can see, the structures here, see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we have a higher high. So this was the zone that caused breakup structure. So I'm thinking we might, okay, I think today we already got an entry. So this will be a good zone for us to enter, maybe tomorrow and day after. I'm actually personally thinking something in this sort. So I want to enter with a very small stop loss. So just like Nifty, we also have Bank Nifty giving us a good positive divergence on the 2-hourly time frame. So if you can see here, prices have been moving lower low here, and RSI is moving up. So a good positive divergence is being caused. So we can expect a good move. So this could be traded as one single zone, and this could be traded as another single zone. So we already got entry here. Maybe I'm not thinking. See, since the RSI has already started crossing over and the price has also given us a change of character, this would have been a good entry point. Not to worry. As price moves back up, you can still enter into this zone because our target is still valid. And then from here, maybe we can expect a 1:2. I'm expecting at least the price to break this high, because that's how the structure moves. So once it breaks the change of character, this is the zone that caused change of character. And after the price enters into this zone, it moves back above this. So this is the weak high that is supposed to be broken if the trend needs to be continued. But we are still in a valid uptrend unless this zone is broken. So this is the strong low that needs to be protected, right? Let me mark that. So this is the strong low. Okay, I've just marked it here. This is the strong low that needs to be protected. So until the price is in this range, we are bullish. So until this range is taken out. So once this high is taken out, we are in a continuation bull trend. So with Bank Nifty, I also want to see HDFC Bank, because this is heavily influenced. So HDFC Bank also is in a good positive divergence. So this was our entry point here. So we had a good entry point here, but I did not enter this because the stop loss is obviously too high. there was a supply chain, there was supply break. Let's go to the low time frame. This was the supply break. Okay, so this was the change of character that was caused by this demand zone here. So, and so as long as this low is not taken out, we are in a good uptrend. This is the low that needs to be protected, and this is the high that needs to be taken out. If you can see, the price is consolidating, maybe forming something like a pattern. If we take the line chart, yes, it's forming a similar to a ascending triangle pattern. So maybe once this is given a breakout, we can enter there, or we can enter somewhere around this trend line with a stop loss below this point. So this is obviously a risky trade. Better yet, because the risk to reward is 1:1.8, so that will become risky. Better option is, once the price it moves above this and closes above this, gives a retracement, and this high is taken out, the retracement high is taken out, enter somewhere around here with a stop. Sorry, enter somewhere around here, stop loss below this point, and then target will be up until here. I'm expecting this cap to be filled, but then retrace. Maybe we will find something better on the 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour time frame. Yes, I can see a supply zone here. This could be a supply zone from where the price will start to fall. I don't think that the price will start rallying immediately like this. Moreover, it will probably create more demand and then test it and then move back here. So I would give this target around 1 week, maybe a week or two. So we should expect at least quite a lot of move in this case. So the target here is around 1,300 points. So that's pretty good. So this is my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Along with that, I also have one stock for you, that is SAIL. I'm personally tracking this. I had my entry somewhere in 85.7, but I missed it by a few rupees, paisa. That's okay. So my reasoning is quite simple. See, as you can see on the weekly time frame, the supply zone was broken here. All right, and then it created a supply zone, this supply zone. It started to move from this supply zone up and then create another demand zone here. Oh, I'm sorry. It created a supply zone here, broke the supply zone, created a demand zone here. So this was the previous demand, the where I'm marking now. So it came into the demand and started moving back up. Now let me mark it again. So this was the next demand zone, came into the demand, started rallying back up. Now after that, it did not come into this demand zone on the weekly, but if you see on the daily time frame, there was this daily time frame demand zone. It isn't really that good, so I did not enter here. It came back here and then started a big rally. All of this huge move originated from here, so I'm expecting the price to move back up from here. So in the process of moving up, it has created a monthly demand zone here. See this drop base rally monthly demand zone with the monthly EMA, and with that I also expect the price on the weekly. See, on the weekly also it has created a drop base rally demand zone closing above the previous supply zone. Here there was one supply zone. This was the previous supply zone, and this is the next supply zone. So I've marked all of this. It entered the supply zone and then is moving back down. Now the price, I'm expecting it to come into this demand zone. So the demand zone I marked here. So here it is. I'm keeping my entry at around 85.7 and a stop loss at 83.15. So this is, and the target is around 102. But you can easily extend the target to here. So the target can be extended up until here, but there is a chance that the price will come here and then move back a bit down and then consolidate and then move higher. So I don't want to take so much of risk. I'm actually getting a very good risk to reward. So it's around 6.23. This is a pretty good risk to reward. So this is there. The reason I kept my entry so low, and actually previously I had placed my entry here, but then on RSI, let me show you RSI. Okay, let me go to the daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see, the price is moving back up and the EMAs are on top. Okay, so this is the old trade. So the RSI is moving up, but I'm expecting it to touch the bottom zone here, and this price could react from here and then move back into this zone. So react into this zone and then start moving back up. Okay, so that is my logical reasoning. So my entry is somewhere around here. Entry can be here 85.1, but I moved a bit aggressive, and since this is the weekly demand zone, on weekly let me show you. Since this is the weekly demand zone, I don't want to be too conservative with this, so I placed it at 85.7. But if you want, you can also place it at 85.1. This should be a good risk to reward, and the stop loss is somewhere here, and the target is pretty good. My target is somewhere until here 101.7. So it will be around a risk to reward of 1:11. I mean, you might think that this is quite a huge risk to reward. How can you actually get it? But actually, it is possible, because actually I'm in a trade now. It is network 18 media. So I'm already in this trade now. So you can see that my target was here, but I have not actually taken a profit, because when I saw this candle here, when I took this, and in my Telegram channel I had posted this to the private Telegram channel. I took the entry here on, I don't know when was it, 26 September, and within the next 3 days it gave an amazing move of 28%. I mean, this is possible. It is possible. So I'm currently at around 7.85 something, 85. So my target is still a bit higher, on the higher end. So I hope to take my target somewhere here. This is my target zone on the daily time frame. If I see, so this is one here, and the next target is here. All right. So my target is up until here. So 84.85 initially, but I don't expect this to hold much. Here's what I'm expecting to happen. It will consolidate just like this, 2-3 candles, wait for the EMA to catch up, and once the EMA catches up, we'll see one more huge candle like this, break this supply zone, or maybe a small reaction from this supply zone, something like this, and then again catch up and then move until here. So this is my estimation, not something that I can predict easily. Of course, I will have to react exactly to what the stock is saying to me at that moment. As of now, I see nothing that can stop the stock. It is pretty good. Media companies are doing well. We caught Zeal also previously, around 60% or 50% in around 1 month. So that was a very good move for us. And we're expecting network 18 also to give us a good momentum until there. Currently, I'm holding it around 20 to 23% move, I believe. So yeah, so this is there. So keep your eye on stale Nifty and Bank Nifty. I intended to also do live trading sessions. Hopefully, I'll be able to, and I hope to also update daily market analysis videos every day on YouTube. But of course, I am not really a full-time trader yet. I am completely involved in work. So as long as I get time, I will definitely try to update videos. If you have any specific stocks that you would like me to review, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to update a video and send it over. So that's it from my end. Thank you for watching. If you're still stayed until now, and do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, and thanks. Bye.